if you're gonna talk about it, be about it. CBD gummies. They're called Relax Bears. Oh, those cashews got a kick. McKay.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am excited. It is the month of November, and you guys know every month I show you an unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. So this is packed with samples, this is packed with full-size products, and this is packed with everything that is what? I can't hear you.
It's free!
100% free products. Yes guys, that is right. There are a lot of people out there that are still skeptics about the Daily Goodie Box, but let me let you guys know this is 100% legit. So yes, you can get this with free shipping, free everything. All you have to do is sign up on dailygoodiebox.com, stay active on their website as well as on their Facebook, and you can have a chance of getting one of these in the mail just like me. So I'm gonna go ahead, unbox this, and show you guys what is inside, because I know, like me, you all cannot wait. Let's get started. So this first one here is from Miracle Tree, and this is the Moringa Organic Superfood Tea Earl Grey. So this is it. Wait, let me show you that way. Yeah. So it has 25 tea bags inside of here. They are lightly caffeinated, and I love tea. You guys know there's a playlist full of me drinking tea videos. But yeah, this is from Miracle Tree. I'm so excited to try this out. So first of all, how cute is this packaging? Let's talk about that. And this is from Bees. These are gourmet nuts. So these are the Insatiable Cashews. Take a look at those cashews. Really good. So they say that these cashews are covered with butter, brown sugar, spices, and salt. You can definitely taste that brown sugar as well as those spices. Completely fresh. CBD gummies. They're called Relax Bears. How cute is that? Relax Bears. Oh, those cashews got a kick. Spicier than I thought. Okay. But yeah, this is 5 gummies, 10 milligrams of CBD, and they're supposed to relax you. They smell exactly like Flintstone vitamins. Kind of look like them from the pack. Look at that glittering bear there. They taste exactly like Flintstone vitamins. Kind of a chalky taste to it, and then it kind of has a tang as the more you chew it and swallow it. But it's not a bad taste. This Monkey Business coffee, and I remember liking the packaging on this. But if this is the same as the last one I had, then let me let you know that this coffee is really good. I'm a huge fan of coffee. And they say that this is freshly roasted coffee beans produced of Indonesia. So this is the Kopi, make sure I say that right, Kopi Luwak. It smells so good, but you can't smell it, but you can see the contents, right? So I also received the Shangri-La Coffee, the Kopi Luwak, and I believe I tried this one before as well. But these are both delicious, and they do have a similar taste to them. But yeah, I have this sticker here, and then I also have this sticker here that says all good. Cute. And speaking of all good, I have the Sport Sunscreen. This is a SPF 30, and this is water and sweat resistant, and it lasts up to 80 minutes. Yes. Perfect. Oh, they wanted to keep this one protected. So this is brain fuel with royal jelly. I'm curious. So let me show you what it looks like first, and then we can try to get into this. So this is from Beekeeper's Naturals. And they have a B.LXR brain fuel with royal jelly. And this is a focus and memory natural nootropic. And it is a dietary supplement. Surprisingly, this is not a pill. Okay. These are like, not pills. Really drink. These are so well made. You can tell they took a lot of time on these products. If you're gonna talk about it, be about it. Wow. Okay. Oh, that is so weird. Yes, yes, it tastes like honey, but it's so weird. It's like super, super, super sweet. I don't, it's weird. Taste. I guess you can drink it and then you can drink something else down so you can just quickly get it down, but that taste is so weird. I don't know. It's like drinking a plant. It's weird. It's like drinking a plant with honey on it. I hope I'm explaining that right, but yeah, very weird. But yeah, okay. All right. I'm still feeling that effect. But yeah, once again, a very successful unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed everything. And if you're interested in any other products that you saw in this video, you guys can find that down below in my description box, as well as more detailed information on Daily Goodie Box, how you can sign up, and how you can stay active and get your box. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next month with another unboxing. Bye.